Hey guys, it's Katie at scrappinkaty.ctmh.com, and I thought I would walk you through the Craft with Heart card subscription from Close to My Heart for May through August 2020. So as you can see here, I have this pretty little lagoon box that gets delivered to my doorstep every 4 months, and I'm just going to open it up and show you the contents. Now, I will leave a link to the subscription down in the description below, and you can go check out all the details as well as subscribe to your own pretty little blue lagoon box. So each box comes with a fully color illustrated guide, much like our Craft with Heart scrapbooking subscription. And beside each card, it will give you assembly instructions as well as some tips and tricks. This particular kit comes with a shaker window foam and acetate package, as well as a little tiny black ink pad and an acrylic block. Now this block is scaled down significantly from our other blocks for shipping purposes. And you'll also get a package of the Silver Star confetti for your shaker windows. Each kit also includes envelopes for your cards, as well as a D-size stamp set. So you can tell on this stamp set, it's pretty versatile. You've got some thank yous, some happy birthdays, congratulations, we're proud of you. But you could feel free to use any stamp set you have in your stash to kind of make these cards your own. You will also get a 5x7 inspirational quote, as well as a message from our founder, Jeanette Linton, on the back. I love to use those quotes for card fronts and scrapbook layouts, and I've even framed a couple that I really like. Now I have cut open the shrink wrap to the card bases and the die cuts, and I thought I would thumb through those and kind of show you what you get. So with these pre-printed card bases, you can see how colorful and vibrant those are. Now, even though they are pre-printed, the amount of detail that Close to My Heart has put in each one with faux stitching and some paint splatter. You've also got some that have scalloped borders, some diagonal patterns, which are really trendy right now. And then just the color that goes into these die cuts. Now, these die cut sheets are clearly labeled which card they go to, and then that solid black line definitely cuts it off, so it's really easy to punch out and make your cards. Now you can put everything back in that box, which makes it easy for storage purposes. So there are two kit options. You can purchase the 4-month kit for $49.95 US, or you can go ahead and subscribe to the 12-month kit for $43.95. That is a 20% discount, and all 12 months is due up front. So here is a look again at these adorable cards that you could be making and blessing someone's day with. Don't forget to check back for some assembly videos very soon.